Pantai Grajagan is approximately 52 kilometers from Banyuwangi city. You'll find it within the KPH Banyuwangi Selatan Forest area, specifically in Desa Grajagan, Kecamatan Purwoharjo. To enjoy this coastal paradise, you'll need to pay an entrance fee of Rp 15,000 per person. This fee includes parking charges as well. Keep in mind that prices may change, so it's a good idea to check before your visit. Pantai Grajagan is a photographer's dream. Imagine clear blue skies, golden sands, and lush greenery. There are plenty of picturesque spots to capture those Instagram-worthy moments. Surfing haven. If you're a surfing enthusiast, Grajagan won't disappoint. The waves here are just right for catching a thrilling ride. Local and international surfers often gather here to test their skills. The average wave speed reaches up to 60 kilometers per hour, with heights of around 4 meters. These belong to the local fishermen of Grajagan. Their presence adds authenticity and charm to the scene, especially during early mornings when they return from their night's catch. Local fishermen. As you stroll along the beach, you'll notice colorful fishing boats parked near the shore. The local fishermen of Grajagan Beach. They add a touch of authenticity and a connection to the sea that's deeply rooted in tradition. Let me share a bit more about them. Boats at sunset. Picture this: a line of colorful wooden boats gently rocking on the waves as the sun sets. These are the vessels of the local fishermen. They head out to sea during the day, returning with their catch as the sky turns golden. The traditional fishing methods here don't involve high-tech gear. Instead, you'll see nets, lines, and perhaps even some handcrafted traps. It's a testament to the age-old wisdom passed down through generations. The fishing community in Grajagan is tightly knit. They share stories, tips, and sometimes even a hearty laugh while mending their nets or preparing for the next fishing expedition. When you visit, take a moment to observe their camaraderie. You might see them repairing a boat, sorting their catch, or simply enjoying the sea breeze. These fishermen understand the delicate balance between taking from the ocean and preserving its resources. Many of them adhere to sustainable fishing practices, respecting seasonal closures and size limits. Their livelihood depends on the health of the marine ecosystem, so they have a vested interest in keeping it thriving. Unfortunately, like many coastal areas, Grajagan Beach faces challenges related to waste management. Trash can be found scattered along the shore, which affects both the environment and the fishing community. Exotic black sand. Grajagan's shoreline boasts mesmerizing black sand. It's a unique feature that sets this beach apart from others. Take off your shoes, feel the cool grains beneath your feet, and let the exotic vibe sink in. Whether you're gazing out at the endless horizon or marveling at the rugged coastline. Back in 1972, two adventurous souls, Bob Laverty and Bill Boyum, were the first surfers to ride the waves of Grajagan Bay. Laverty had spotted this surf break during a flight from Jakarta to Bali. They camped on the beach near the jungle, surfed perfect 6 to 8 foot waves, and unknowingly etched their names into surfing history. Now, let's talk about that reef. Picture 1.5 kilometers of exposed reef, a rugged canvas for waves to dance upon. And the beaches? White sand stretches out, inviting you to kick off your flip-flops and soak up the sun. But describing it? Well, as 1970s surfing legend Jeff Hackman put it, it's just too vast and too wild. The Surf Camp Saga. Fast forward a bit, and Mike Boyum, the brother of Bill Boyum, opened the world's first surf camp here. Initially, it featured 3 wooden huts. For 3 years, it was a well-kept secret, shared only with a select few, including Jerry Lopez and an Australian goofy footer named Peter McCabe. But then the cat was out of the bag, and Grajagan Bay started gracing magazine covers and surf films. The natural beauty of Pantai Grajagan will leave you in awe. Diving and snorkeling. Beneath the waves, there's a whole underwater world waiting to be explored. Consider diving or snorkeling to discover colorful marine life and hidden treasures. Pantai Grajagan is conveniently close to Pantai Plingkung, G-Land, making it a gateway to the famous Plingkung surf spot. It's also part of Taman Nasional Alas Purwo, covering an area of approximately 314 hectares. Arrive early in the morning to catch the best lighting for your photos. Respect the local fishermen and their way of life. If you're a surfer, check the surf conditions before planning your trip. Bring sunscreen, water, and your adventurous spirit. So, whether you're a beach lover, a photographer, or an adrenaline junkie, Pantai Grajagan awaits with open arms. Certainly. Pantai Grajagan, also known as Grajagan Beach, offers a delightful mix of natural beauty and adventure. Here are some activities you can enjoy near this coastal gem. Grajagan Beach is renowned among surfers. Its consistent waves and challenging breaks make it a haven for both local and international surfers. If you're an experienced surfer or want to try catching some waves, this is the place to be. The beach's serene atmosphere makes it an excellent spot for fishing. You'll often see local fishermen casting their lines into the ocean. Join them for a relaxing fishing session and perhaps catch your own dinner. Rent a boat and explore the coastline. The view from the water is different and equally captivating. You can admire the cliffs, caves, and hidden coves that dot the shoreline. When you arrive at Grajagan Beach, you'll find yourself smack in the middle of the jungle. Imagine lush greenery, endangered species, like the elusive banteng, and pure savanna. It's like stepping into a tropical paradise where the waves meet the wild. In addition to the beauty of its beaches, Grajagan Beach is also used as a geopark education place because there is pillow lava. Black fractured lava outcrops containing pyroxene and plagioclase dominate Grajagan Beach, which is bordered by steep hills. The expanse of Black Beach is a coastal deposit originating from lava erosion. Most of the lava has a vesicular structure, where the holes in the rock are former gas bubbles in lava that have low viscosity. According to Aikden Bakri, 1993, this lava is included in the Batwampar Formation. This feature is a product of the old volcano in southern Java, where we can also find this in the basaltic lava of Plolongan but with a younger age. In conclusion, Grajagan Beach is not just a destination, but a timeless escape that offers a unique experience for every visitor. Whether you're an avid surfer seeking the thrill of the waves, a nature lover wanting to explore its pristine surroundings, or someone simply looking to unwind on the soft sands, this hidden gem in Indonesia has something special for everyone. With its breathtaking sunsets, vibrant marine life, and tranquil atmosphere, Grajagan Beach invites you to create unforgettable memories, making it a must-visit location for your next adventure. So, pack your bags, embrace the spirit of adventure, and let Grajagan Beach enchant you with its natural beauty. And that wraps up our adventure here at Grajagan Beach. I hope you enjoyed exploring this incredible place with me and picked up some tips and inspiration for your own travels. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future adventures. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What was your favorite part? Have you ever visited Pantai Grajagan, or is it on your travel bucket list? Until next time, keep exploring and finding the beauty in every journey. Safe travels.